Yeah. I feel like, am I centered? So I'm meant to be looking here, but then I actually have to look here. So my eyes look a bit off because I have to look at myself. Hey everyone, I'm Hannah and I am the content manager here at Adore Beauty, and I am our resident beauty risk taker, but I'm also a beauty newbie, and I have been wanting to experiment with color for so long, except I've been too scared to, because whenever I see YouTube videos and Instagram posts, I'm like, that's out of my comfort zone with makeup. I can never do that. So I've just been like, meh. I've just been giving it a go. I've been practicing, and I found this literally three-step, what do I call it? Three-step. Anyway, I found a way to do this look in 3 steps. It's really easy. If you've never used colored eyeshadow before, you'll easily be able to do it. If you just want to do the eyes, you literally just need the MAC Art Library, its designer palette, that's all you need, and the designer brand's Melodrama brush set. That's all you would need to do this look. But yeah, it's super easy, and I really just want this video to encourage everyone, particularly this holiday season. Let's have some fun. 2020, we need to have some fun with our eyeshadow. So even if you're just going on a Zoom call, I'm about to jump on a Zoom call like this. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how I got this look. Hope you enjoy it. So the way that this video is gonna work is I'm gonna do my base, then I'm gonna do the easy eyeshadow look that I think is easy. It is actually really easy. And then what I'm gonna do is I found this YouTube video called Super Easy Red Holiday Makeup Look, and it doesn't look easy. To dial up the risk taking, I'm gonna try that look on camera and see how I go. It just looks wild. Like, it doesn't look like something that I'll be able to do, but it'll be fun. So you can like all watch me make a fool of myself on camera, because that's what I love to do. So I'm gonna start this video. I've got to do my base, obviously. So I wanted to show you the palette that I'm using today. MAC Art Library, its designer palette. And I absolutely adore this palette. I love doing orange and I love doing pink. So I'm gonna decide which one I think I'll do pink, because I have like a matching, found it. Yeah, so I think what I'll do is I'll do the pink. Oh, look at that. So I'll do the pink eyeshadow, and then I'll use, this is the Powder Kiss lipstick in Fall in Love. Oh, so maybe this is my year. If you don't listen to our podcast, please do. You'll hear all about my pathetic COVID love life. So I'm gonna use these for the easy look. I'm gonna get started with the YSL Pure Shots Lines Away serum.
A few moments later.
All right, so I've done the Lines Away serum. Then I'm gonna go in with the, I think I'm gonna do the Bobbi Brown, because this is the Hydrating Water Fresh Cream. So if you've got oily skin, this is kind of perfect for oily skin types. I'm just noticing all my books in the corner there, and I'm like, you know how your books are like such a window into your soul? One of the books on there is actually my friend sent me an erotic novel to read, because I just think, you know how everyone's been sending each other flowers and cookies and donuts? I reckon send your friends some erotic literature, especially if they're single. All right, so now onto foundation. I am gonna use my fave foundation, which is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. So I don't even know what to say about it, except that I just freaking love it. So I'm gonna use the Real Techniques, and I just start in the center. Okay. That is done. Now I'm using the MAC. This is the Radiant Matte Bronzing Powder. Look what I did. But I'm still gonna use it because I absolutely love this bronzer. Just have to be a little bit careful. All right, so next I'm gonna do my, I've lost my words. I'm gonna do my contour. So I use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick, and I use it in shade Y505 to contour. I feel like this ring light just shows all my secrets. I'm gonna use the Eye of Horus. I think this is the contour stick. Time for concealer. What am I using? Iconic London. And now we can go in with the bronzer. Alright, so now we're on to the eyeshadow. So what I'm going to start by doing is priming my eyes. And I am going to be using, this is the Air Atelier Eye Primer. I don't know if, you know how people do things, I can't, I just can't. So anyway, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand and I'm just going to like dab that across the lid. You can use concealer. Sometimes I use concealer as a base for my eye, but I really like this eye primer. All right, so let's get onto the pink. Let's go big or go home. All right, so I've got the palette, and this is a trick that Amelia Sinkson actually gave me because I was using a brush to pack on the eyeshadow, and what I was finding is that I was just getting all this fallout, and it was just big fat mess. So what she suggested, she's a makeup artist, was that you actually pack it on with your finger. And I find that so much easier to do. This will just seem so basic. It is really basic, but I just want people to know and to see that if you're like a complete beauty newbie like me, like I'm not a makeup person, like I have never been good at my makeup, I've, you know, just learnt things along the way, is that it actually, like, don't be afraid of color because it's actually not as hard as it seems on YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here and I'm just gonna use my finger to pack on the color onto my lid. I'm just gonna pack it on. This is literally 3 steps, like the 3-step eyeshadow. All right, I love this color. I'm gonna get a nice fluffy brush and I'm gonna start blending. So this one is this is the Designer Brands and it's from the Melodrama set, which has like all the really good, it's got so many good like and this one's the one that I use when I'm using, like when I need to pack shadow on, I use that one. But in this one, I've just used my fingers because I didn't want to get all that fallout. So I'm just gonna start blending it. So literally step 1 is to pack it on with your finger. And step 2, just blend it. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that one. I've got 2, so I was using, this is like a bit fluffier, but I'm gonna use the excess on this one to go underneath. Great, all right. I kind of feel like it is 3 steps. So it's pack on the eyeshadow, blend it out on the top, and then use the excess to go underneath. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna use I'm using the Eye of Horus. This is the Goddess pencil in Nubian Brown. And I'm gonna use this to line the inner, inside and out, like inside the line. I don't know what that's called. And above. Okay. Now let's do a mascara. I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics. This is the Superhero. Whoa. Superhero indeed. Okay, and then I love to do like bottom lashes, like really that kind of baby doll eye look. Okay. Finish off with brows. I am going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I don't know if you're meant to do brows before you do the eyes, but I'm doing them now. So I feel like this is my thing about makeup, is I feel like as much as people say there's no rules, there are rules. Like I remember I put this thing up of like me doing my contour and someone sent me a DM and they were like, you should have put it here. And it's like, well, this is why I get nervous about doing makeup videos, is because I feel like there's all these rules and there's all these rules about like not doing it perfectly or not doing it like a makeup artist. And I just think you should just freaking go for it and just give it a go. And if you stuff, like I just stuffed that up. If you stuff it up, who cares? It's a bit of fun. Makeup is meant to be fun. Makeup, there's not, like, I really just hope that this video is like, you know, even though I've not done it perfectly, even though I have no idea what I'm doing and I'm not a makeup artist, it's just a bit of fun. And there's no right or wrong. And I really hope that after watching this video, you can be like, yes, I'm gonna go and do this like bold eye look. And I just don't give a about what anyone else thinks. If it looks bad, like it can't look bad. I actually, to be honest, I think this looks really good. So that's just me. All right, so that's my brows done. So I literally just filled in some of the gaps that I've got, and then just, I can also use, might just use a little bit of this is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. So I'll just use just a tiny bit of not too much, my brows, just to keep them in place. Cool. Now let's get onto the lips, which is probably gonna make this look, I actually think this is kind of nice just as it is, and it might be really nice with like a nudie pink color. But because this is a risk taker video, I'm gonna go all out and I'm gonna do that really pinky pink lip. I'm gonna line my lips first with the Eye of Horus lip liner. I think this is in Sacred Hibiscus. Okay. And now for the final touch, we're gonna do the Fall in Love, which is the Powder Kiss by MAC. It doesn't quite match, but whatever. I think it'll still look really good because the Powder Kiss it's like a blurring kind of lippy. So perfect. So that's the final look. That was using the MAC palette, and the MAC palette, MAC Art Library, it's designer palette. I really hope that showed you that in 3 really easy steps, you can do a really bold, colorful eye. Don't worry if you stuff it up. Just practice makes perfect. And I really hope that it gives everyone a bit of confidence to try something new and take a bit of a beauty risk. So thanks everyone for joining me on this beauty risk taker video. I will be back to try out that crazy eye look. I wanted to fit it into one video, but I feel like this video is going to be long enough. So what I'll do is I will be back to do that red eye look, take it from beginner to maybe intermediate, and have some fun while I'm doing it. So I'll see you back here next time.